Now, when you're choosing a Prezi, you want to choose a Prezi that makes sense for you because the Prezi format itself should also say something in accordance to what it is that you're doing. I think I'm going to do the one with Treasure Island because we're exploring today technology and how to really unearth what we can do with it to make learning more fun. So I'm going to put here exploring the world of Web 2.0 as my title. The text, we're going to look at Prezi, we look at automatically because I'm doing it here. Poplet, Pixton. A few of you wanted to look at Google Documents or Google Suite actually, because it includes different. Oh my goodness, it includes different technologies. I'm just going to put that. Well, we want to look at Edmodo too, but we're just gonna see what comes up. So, Poplet. Our first bubble for Prezi is going to be this. So I'm going to put here Poplet, the new way to graphically organize. I don't know, that works for me. And then I'm going to insert an image. I'm going to insert an image from my file. There we go. So we're going to take what this Poplet looks like. I'm going to resize it, I think. It depends on how big it is. My computer is going slow because I have a million and one things open, a million and one things uploading. So don't think it moves as slow. It does move a little faster than this. The kids do a lot better than I do with making things move. So actually, while I have this here, I'm going to add a frame because I want a frame around this. I want this to zoom in. So I'm going to add a frame. And yes, I want that for number 3. So number 3, it zooms in. See that? So we start here at exploring the web of 2.0. We move into Poplet to understand it. And then we go into that. Now I'm going to do something else. I want to add another frame. This one I'm going to make really small. It has it there, that small. Because what's going to go in there, I'm going to put my Poplet movie. So I'm going to put my Poplet movie in there. So again, I have Exploring the World of Web 2.0. Then I have Poplet. Then I have where I'm looking at the Poplet. And then even tinier to zoom in even more. There. So our next one, while that's loading, is going to be Pixton. I'll just come up with some crazy title. Everything's comical. I'm going to add an image. Hopefully I can find it a little bit faster. There it is. I'm going to add this image here. As soon as I see what the size looks like. Am I still loading my movie? Yeah, it's still processing, so this is going to take a minute. So I'm over here at Pixton. There it is. I'm going to shrink it a bit, but not only am I going to shrink it, you guessed it, I'm going to add a frame so that it gets its own bubble. Voila, it's there. And then again, I did a movie for this too, for you to see. So I'm going to add another frame. As soon as you hit 4.3, that means you got it. So I'm going to go to that frame. It's not important. I'll put a video there, but we're going to just go ahead and move on. The other thing that we're talking about is going to be Google Suite. There is so much you can do in Google. There's like a lot you can do in Google. So Google Suite is the answer to Microsoft. It's the answer to Microsoft. Like Google like freaking does everything that we need them to do and then some. So what I'm going to do then is Google Drive. So I'm going to take a picture. There we go. I want that picture. So watch me for a second. Okay. So I want that picture. So I'm going to no. Take that away. Take that away. Take that away. I didn't want you. I'm going to add a frame in here. The answer to Microsoft, right? So I want to draw my bracket. So here I'm going to put my picture. From File, I just put that on my desktop. There we go. Open. While that's getting loaded, I'm going to go ahead and do another one. Wait, hold on. Let me make this bigger. And bigger still. I like that. Make it bigger and bigger still. So we're going to need to make you bigger. Oh, you're too big. I'm going to have to shrink you. Well, I don't need to make it bigger, right? There we go. But within it, I want to put other things. So I'm going to draw an invisible. I'm going to put a document in here. It's not invisible enough for me. Okay, here I'm going to add another image. I'm going to add the image I just took. That screenshot. Let's see. I want to put another image, so I'm going to go to my survey that I'm creating. Well, I'm going to go to this survey, Teacher Technology Survey. Create the screenshot. And then I want to go to your responses. So I want to show you how that works. And then I want to show you the summary of the responses. 4 responses. It breaks it up by the questions I asked. It's pretty awesome. Okay, so let's go back to the Prezi. There, it's there. It fits. I like it. Let's back up a little bit. Let's see what this is looking like. Oh, let me go here. You, my dear, are not what I want. I want you bigger, bigger. Still. Okay. So 9 is going to show me the suite. 10 is going to show me the document. I want to go back to 9. I want to go back to 9. So I'm going to put the document, I'm going to put here another frame. I need to hurry up because I need to get ready for you guys. So that's another frame. Okay. In this frame, I want the image I just took. So I want the form one. I'm going to show you that. Put that there. And then in here, I want another frame. Well, let's go ahead and deal with the size. I like this size. Let's take this frame. Oh. Oh. No, that's fine. I'm not editing the path. I'm going to edit this down a little bit because I want to change the edit frame. Yes. Because I want this a little bit bigger. Whatever. We'll deal with that. I'm good. Now I'm going to take this even smaller. Can I go smaller? Yeah, I can. At which point on this one, I'm going to put that image I just saw. I just took your responses. I'm going to put that in that frame. I think I might have to change it. Yes. I'm going to take this, shrink it so that it fits the frame. Oh, can't zoom in anymore. Okay, let's not make you so small then. Yeah. It'll tell you. You just play with it. Can I do you now? Okay, I'm going to make you a little bigger. Now? Awesome. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick you off to the side then. So I'm just going to move this a little bit more up. Okay, I gotta go. So that's that. Let me see what it looks like. Have I populated all fields? I did not. Awesome. Okay, so that's that. And then I want to do the same thing because I want to show the responses. So I need to make a box. same size, invisible box. Okay, and then that image that I wanted to do. We'll see how that works. Okay, and then, let's see. Yes, that's good. Then 14, let's see, what else did I say we're going to talk about? Oh, Edmodo. So 14. Oh, here, let me just put that. 22 seconds remaining. Okay. Just go ahead and put this here. Insert. I'll just put that one for now. Over here. 14. I'll just show you a picture of Edmodo. So while that's going, I'll drag this. While that's processing, let me go ahead and do the last field. So these are going to be thank you. Go to Web20ScreenFlow.